This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the new backup folder and verifying current paths. First, create d/iPhone backups and confirm the original mobile sync /backup folder exists in %appdata %. Once done, close iTunes and stop any Apple services. This prevents file locks. You need administrator rights, so right-click File Explorer and choose Run as Administrator. Now, move the entire backup folder to d/iPhone backups, preserving names and timestamps, because iTunes expects the same subfolder structure when you relink it. Next, you'll replace the original folder with a directory junction so iTunes still writes to the expected path. In an elevated command prompt type, mclink/j %appdata %Apple computer /mobile sync /backup d/iPhone backups. Execute it carefully. If you mistype, you can break backups. Once the junction is created, verify it by listing the mobile sync folder. Windows will show the arrow on the backup folder and the link target. This makes iTunes believe nothing changed while storing data on the new drive. Finally, restart Apple services or reboot so iTunes recognizes the junction. Open iTunes and run a manual backup. You should see progress saving to d/iPhone backups. If it fails, make sure the junction points correctly, the target folder has full permissions for your user and system, and no antivirus is blocking writes. If necessary, delete the junction, move the folder back to %appdata %Apple computer /mobile sync, and recreate it after fixing permissions. This single troubleshooting tip usually resolves most errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.